So now that we've kind of like briefly explained everything in your Manychat dashboard, everything in the platform, we've just done a brief overview on it. I want to address the elephant in the room before we start building chatbots, and that is, how do you get somebody into your chatbot? So how do you actually get a user inside your chatbot to subscribe to your chatbot? Well, there's lots of different ways, and we're going to go over them in depth whenever we go over the growth tool section. All right. So whenever we go over the growth tool section in depth, we're going to cover a bunch of different ways. Until we get to that section, all you need to know is right now, if you want to get people in your chatbot, there's 2 different easy ways that you can do it before we get to the growth tools. One of those easy ways is you can just actually come to your Facebook page. You can add a button here. And whenever you add that button, you just want to add a send message button so people can actually send you messages. And you want to say, hey, people are going to contact you in Messenger. All right. So now somebody can come to your Facebook page and they can just click the send message button. And whenever they click that send message button, they can just click get started. Now that they actually get started, now you'll actually be able to see them as somebody in your audience that has just subscribed to your chatbot. So you'll be able to actually see that person. All right. So one easy way they can actually get into your chatbot is they can just go to your page and click your send message button. If you don't have a send message button, you can always just share them that link. So you got this link that I showed you here on your dashboard, your bot link, your m.me link. You can just send that link out to people. People can just click that link. Whenever they click that link, it's literally just going to take them to your chatbot, and they are going to actually be able to get to your chatbot. They'll see your get started screen, and if they click on this get started button, then they'll actually be a subscriber in your chatbot. So I'm not going to click on this yet because we need to make a little edit to this page in one of the future training videos. So I'm not going to click on get started yet. But now you can see easily how you can get somebody into your chatbot. It's pretty easy. Whenever we get to this growth tools section, I'm going to show you more and more ways, a lot more different ways that you can actually get users to get inside your chatbot. All right. So for now, until we actually build a chatbot or we build growth tools, you can still get people automatically just by going to your page and adding a send message button. What I recommend doing is, if you add a send message button, I recommend going to your actual page settings and then go to your messaging section. And inside your messaging section, you're going to just make sure this is turned on. Prompt people to see messages. All right. That way, what this will do is whenever somebody goes to your Facebook page, this send message button, this chat window will just automatically open up. They won't even have to click send message. It will just automatically be open for them. So they'll kind of be prompted, hey, I can message these people, let me message them. All right. So those are just easy ways to get people into your chatbot. Like I said, as we move forward in the training, we'll be going over all these different growth tools and even more ways that you can get people into your chatbot.